وَأَعْلَمْ أَنَّ مَا أَصَابَكَ مَا كَانَ لِيُخْطِئَكَ. The famous hadith of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. What has befallen you will never miss you. Then I look at the images that we all are seeing, whether on the local or on the international, whether on the reality and the lack of, whether of the justice and the injustice. You all know this. I am going to say, Ya Rabbi, I am seeing it. And I am the sinner. And I'm feeling this way. What is Allah saying? We're Muslims, everything has to be connected with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah is Alim. Yes or no? Allah all-knowing. Yes or no? Allah is Sami', all-hearing. Yes or no? And Allah is Hakim. Allah is all-wise. There is hikmah in this. Many of you will say, where is it? What hikmah in children dying? You all are seeing the images. It melts your heart. Still Allah is Hakim. Because when the people were killed in Uhud, Allah was Hakim and still is Hakim. And when the people were killed and martyred, Sayyidina Hamza, and his body was mutilated, Allah Hakim and Allah is Rahim. And this is Hamza. This is not me and you. So you come with this. These are the things you're going to take it with you. Always get connected with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ya Rabbi, there is hikmah. Ya Rabbi, there is wisdom. I am not seeing it. Show me and keep me steadfast.